Oh. Well, this is a rocket launch. It's got to be a Gemini launch, probably from sometime around well, it would have to be 1968, I guess, because that's when the Gemini program was going. It was a video that I took, a film I took. I was just fascinated with rockets. I just loved the space program, and so I took a picture of it on our TV set at home, and I don't know exactly why I took it now. I just was fascinated with it, and I wanted to have it. I just got such a rush from watching this, so it was pretty exciting. Pretty exciting to me in those days. So I guess it's still exciting. Not quite in the same way. Yeah, it could make you go blind watching these things. There we go. There's an animation. I think they'll show us the two guys in the capsule here shortly. Oh, there's my mom. She doesn't look really happy with me. Oh, and my sister. She looks a little bit less unhappy. It's Southern California. I'm not sure why my mom is all dressed up in her coat and scarf. Hopefully she just was getting in from somewhere or getting ready to go somewhere. There's my sister. Yeah, she's really not happy with me. Not at all. I can understand that. Okay, what have we here? This is probably some sort of trick photography gone awry. Don't know what I was doing. Maybe the trigger got stuck. Whatever it is, it just ain't right. Here we go. Okay, no, that wasn't a... That must have been an Apollo mission, because those were three guys. Okay, there we go. There's Mike Eigens here again. Well, and his race must have been over. They were typically... It was typically... That was Jim Danielson. Isn't going all that well. Looks like Fosberg out front. Yes, here we go. It was an Apollo 3 astronauts. And there we go, there's Mike Eigens here out in front. Have no idea if this is the same race or not. There's Jim Danielson. And there's that race. But I have no idea who's in it. I look like Helen Hebb there in the lower left. I didn't remember her coming to any cross-country meets. Track meets. This must be a track meet. It's a Cal High. Gosh, this must have been 1970 spring, because that, or 71, that looked like John Ricker. Oh, we got too much exposure now, and too much of the fence. This looks like it has to be Monte Vista, maybe. And there's that fence again. Yep, this is definitely Monte Vista. Cal High against Monte Vista. And again, probably either the spring of 70 or the spring of 71. For that tape, for that video.